Making this quick video right quick, answering some questions. People have been asking about the notary business. How did I get started? I originally got started because I was in healthcare for over 18 years, and you all know COVID came, and they were trying to say, they meaning the establishment I was working in, was trying to say we would have to prove that we got COVID from the workplace. And if we couldn't prove that we got COVID from the workplace, they was not going to pay us for being out. So I immediately started looking into something else. I'm like, enough's enough. I was already miserable at that workplace. I was miserable at home, miserable at the workplace. I couldn't go nowhere to escape, to get any peace. So I started looking online for different ways to make money, like we all do. We look for, side hustles, side gigs, and I wanted to start a business. I already had an eBay store, and I already dabbled and dabbled in Amazon. And then I came across Kel Ray YouTube channel about being a notary public loan signing agent, and I'm like, what is this? I never heard of it before, right? So I just binge watched all her videos. Anybody that was talking about this type of loan signing business, becoming a notary, and I looked into it. So it was right around tax time. I started looking into it like November 2019, I believe. And it was around tax time, and I had already had a laser printer. So I just started looking into, excuse me, what all it would take to become a notary. And that's what I did. So that's how I got started to become a notary public in North Carolina. I was unhappy at my current situation and I needed a change. Am I thankful I made that change? Absolutely. So if you're thinking about making that change, look into it. Don't forget to check my book down in the description on how you too can make an extra $50,000 in Notary Public.